Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little bit of hand modeling show and tell. So basically, everybody who has been kind of at home bored watching YouTube, paying attention to luxury items, has watched the increase in Louis Vuitton products. Basically, Louis Vuitton had 2 price raises this year. I think people were shocked because they usually only do 1. So this is actually something that I bought last year, but I wanted to do a what's in it and like what can you fit and almost if it's worth it kind of thing, because I don't know if the prices are not going to go down, they're only going to go up. So I want you guys to see if it's really worth the increase. Obviously I think because of the pandemic it has increased because of that, because Louis Vuitton is never going to make something cheaper so more people buy it. They're going to make it more expensive, so even if people do buy it, it's worth their while. So this is from last year. So this is the unboxing of it. It's in there with the dust bag. Came wrapped in the ribbon, but I took it off and I kept it. You can see that it was $310 when I bought it, and then the date was 7/26, so it's been almost a year. So it was $310. Now on the website, I'm gonna check just to make sure, it is $365. So $365 for this. I don't know if it's really worth that much for this, because at that point I would have bought the toiletry. So this is, there you go, made in France. This is the mini pochette and the monogram. This is what the inside look like. It's not the wipeable canvas on the inside, it is just fabric. Pochette tag right there, pull tab. I've probably used this a single amount of times. Now it is super small and it's supposed to be kind of like a catch-all kind of thing, but for your purse, but I have used it as a small bag before. So this is what it looks like full. I know some things are poking out, so it's not the best shape. I could have arranged it a little better. So basically I would use this for 2 reasons. Either I am running in the house and I need like a few things, but I'm not gonna bring a whole purse. Because what I would do is I could, because this actually is a clasp, and you could just hook this over here and be like a little wristlet thing. Or sometimes because it's just small enough, I can kind of just stick it in a hoodie pocket or something like that. Because sometimes I need a few more things than just my keys. So either it's my keys or a whole tote of a purse. So it's either this, and sometimes you can only hold so much stuff on this, and I need more. Or if I'm going out, then you know I need some some lipstick, some chapstick, I don't know, lotion or whatever it is, and I'll throw whatever I need here and kind of like finish getting ready in the car or something like that. I don't know how the night goes. So I'm gonna open it. I mean, I feel like I did a pretty good job. So first thing, anytime I go somewhere or go out even, I have to bring a charger because I have a fear of my phone dying and like being stuck somewhere, stranded, I don't know. Just always have a charger, and I always have a plug, because sometimes you're not somewhere where you can just plug up the USB. I have my AirPods. I always have a nail file because I have natural nails. So sometimes I do break an edge, like for example, that was just some chipping polish, but sometimes I'll just have a whole edge of a nail break off. So you need to have that, or you're gonna get caught on clothes. I have a hand sanitizer wipe, because when you go out, there's like sticky bars and stuff like that. A hair tie, in case I get hot, I guess. My go-to lipstick, Whirl by MAC. Always have this on me. Always have Burt's Bees or any kind of chapstick, because I have this weird thing about having chapped lips. And then I have a MAC Mini Strobe Cream moisturizer kind of thing. It's like a highlighter with some shimmer in it. I like to have it just in case my face is looking a little dry. And this is a new addition, actually. So basically this is a little wallet card thing that I got from my AKA Central Region bag. I have a video for that if you're wondering. I can link it somewhere. So what I would do is I would just throw cards and cash in the bag. So then now that since I got this, I can now just stick, it's like little, I don't know, clear things. So I can stick some cash in there. Right now I only have $5 in cash because I haven't really been doing anything where I need cash. I have my ID, I have my credit card, and I have my insurance card. And then I just snap it. And so then it's not floating around in there. But most of the time, before I got this, I would just have cash and card stuff floating around in there. I have a Listerine. It'd be either this or a pack of gum. So right now it's Listerine. Oh, hoops. I am notorious myself. Nobody ever notices that I don't have earrings in. But I'm notorious for leaving the house after getting ready and I don't put on earrings. Earrings are just like the last thing that I think about. So I always have hoops in the bag so that when I'm in the car, I'm like, oh crap. I just whip these out and that's all I fit. So it's a decent size. It's not the wipeable lining like the toiletry bag. So, and the toiletry bag is actually bigger. The 15, I think it is actually bigger than this. So, but this, I think, because of the strap, it does look more purse-like. The other one, because it doesn't have a strap and it's just a zipper at the top, does look like a clutch. And, you know, I think it'd be a little bit more odd to have this in your hand in the store or something, but because this has somewhat of a chain, you're like, oh, okay, like, it's a bag. Do I think it's worth the price increase? I don't know, because I didn't even notice about the first increase until people were talking about the second increase being the second one, and I was like, wow. So then I actually found the price of it and I was shocked that it was okay. Yes, it's just $50 and you were already planning on spending $300 basically, if this was even the $310 price, but nobody wants to spend $365. And and actually this isn't on the website right now. I think it's sold out on the website because out of, I think, all the pochettes, mini pochettes, I think the monogram one is like kind of the hardest to find. So I'm glad that I snagged this in the store when I did. But I don't know. I think for the price, you might as well spend a little bit more and get the toiletry bag. Honestly, I mean, if you really want the chain, then I would say get this one, obviously. But the toiletry one is bigger. It has the wipeable inside, kind of like the lighter tannish color, like this kind of color on the inside, and it's wipeable. I'm not a fan of the price increase, obviously. I don't know. I think this bag stores a decent amount of stuff, especially for a night out or something like that. I think this is the decent amount of stuff. Now, it does not fit. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It does not fit in here. So, on top of this, I do have to carry like my phone sitting on top of it. I don't know. Obviously, it's your personal decision or whatever and stuff like that, but I think that it was kind of wrong for them to do it after all the Corona stuff, to increase it, because if you did have plans of buying it, you kind of have to like plan a little bit more. Yes, this one was just $50 more, but the other things are more than $50 more, or whatever that might be. So I don't know. I honestly think that if right now, if I was thinking about buying a little bag, I would get the toiletries. This is my first SLG, so it's a small leather good. Even though it's not even leather, but LOL. I don't know. I think either go for the toiletry if you don't care about the strap, or if you really just want a Louis Vuitton item, go for the key pouch. Because this doesn't hold that much. It holds a decent amount, but just not that much. Overall, I do love it. I do love mine for the price that I paid for it. Do I think that it's worth $50 more plus tax? So I think the tax on that was like 30 bucks, so it would have been, so with the new price and tax, it probably, I'm so guesstimating right now, but it would probably be closer to $400. So mine was $338 with tax, so right now, rounded up everything, it would be $400. Now this is not a $400 bag, and that you have to pay taxes on everything, so I didn't even think about that. So you have to pay for taxes for everything. And is this a $400 bag? No. Like I said, this was $200. I don't know if this has a price increase. I have not checked. This was only $200, and I think this is much, like, this is worth it. I use this every day. It's connected to my keys. It holds everything I need. Yes, you could get a cheaper one, but if you're looking for a designer item, you're going to pay a designer price. There's nothing to even negotiate with that. So I like mine, like I said, for the price. I would not pay $400 for this bag. It's not a $400 bag. It's just not. The toiletry, like I said, case, the one that everybody compares it to, has a wipeable lining. So if this gets dirty on the inside, this is dirty. There's no wiping this. There's no nothing. Like, this is gonna get dirty. Like, that's it. Because it's fabric. Like, that's it. So that one is wipeable. It's bigger because that one is like boxy, so it's squared. This one, obviously, it like tapers in. So that is a what's in my mini pochette. Is it worth it? Well, that for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.